Myself, Asharan from EC department, and there are totally 4 members in my team, including me, and I'm going to introduce them one by one. The team members are Sudarshan, Sham, and Harish Balaji. So we have chosen the topic online class versus offline class. So let's get started. I think online classes are better than offline class as because a student has more flexible in managing schedule for the class. During free time, we can do other activities and also can spend the time with our family.
Hi, I am Sham. I deny with Sharan as because offline classes are far better than online classes. Being in the classroom, students can interact with teachers about his or her possible doubts. He or she will be involved in the learning the subject along with their friends. It can reduce mental pressure of the students, which a major problem of online class.
I also agree with Sham. This is Harish Balaji. Not only a mental pressure, students face physical problems also while they are sitting in a place for a long many time. Many medical problems like knee pain, irritation in eyes, feeling, etc.
Hi, I am Sudarshan K from EC department. In online classes, students can re-access videos which have been posted in a common website, whereas in traditional classes, we cannot, if we miss one class, we cannot re-access the videos.
Denny in Sudarshan point, we cannot re-access. Also, the teacher is always available in traditional class to teach us, and our friends will also teach us that to us. But we are facing many problems in online class with lots of mental and physical pressure.
Yes, in online classes, while students taking a test or quiz in online, do not have to worry about the professor catching them or cheating. This tends may situations to cheat.
Correctly said. In the case of online classes, students have a mentality to cheat with are so common. Many don't attend classes and miss to read the stuff at the final exam.
Traditional classroom education can be very structured where we have to follow the timetable, but in online classes we don't have to have a schedule. We can learn and access the video whenever we feel like reading.
I agree with the point. Because at home we will engage more with family, so online classes helps in accessing the video anytime, so we can manage both classes and quality time with family. Especially this pandemic is wonderful for us to spend time with our family.
Yes, I too agree this point. Online class give us more time to spend time with family. For example, if we take a student from other state who is living in hostel to attend traditional class, will definitely enjoy online class because hostel student will never feel homesick.
Students to mingle with other students and they enjoy learning. It is enough if we are in class some way or other, we will be learning the concept when our friends share many ideas about the concept.
Correctly said. Students see these online classes as a burden because we are literally not enjoying our classes. When we feel fresh and relaxed, we get into concept more, but in online classes we will feel tired, bored, and we don't have 100% involvement in the subject, which is very big drawback of online classes.
Online classes, for example, if we watch a video, we would absolutely get many doubts. We would not clarify the doubt then and there. If we move on to next video, we are absolutely forgot about the doubt and we had seen in the previous video. But in offline classes, we clarify the doubt then and there.
The major advantage of online class is to save time of traveling, but in the case of offline class, we can have travel to from our home to school or college. So this would surely save our time, and during the time we can wisely, surely do some productive work.
When students are required to interact with classmates and professors, they gain confidence in their ability to speak and interact with others. It grants them opportunity to learn how to interact with others. It grants professional manner because online learning can do this. Its value to students is significantly lower.
mind. They may be required to give presentations or speeches. They will have to work in groups with all kinds of people with maybe many differing viewpoints. Online course require none of that.
While studying in online, all the documentation is saved in a drive, and hence the students can focus in learning only. They do not have to couple notes or write notes.
During online classes, the teacher cannot know whether the student has understood the topic or not. Did the student attend the class or not? And this one is the important drawback of online class. What do you think about it?
Online class is an easy platform for bunking. The teacher may not know the absence of students. The students will not know the subject, and he or she will fail in exams.
Traditional classes include break, refreshing activities, etc. The students attending online classes daily feels a pressure. Many assignments are given by the teachers, and many many of you keep watching the videos.
The presence of teacher physically in a classroom keeps the students attentive and inspired thoughts the lecture, and additionally also initiates participation in interesting activities. This enables the students to retain more from what they have learning during a session.
Being in a classroom, whether it be a small classroom or big lecture, there are many other students involved in the learning experience. Though social setting can be positive thing, the presence of a whole classroom of other students can be distracting and destructive to the students' personal learning.
To attend online classes, then students, parents are being affected. They are in a situation to buy gadgets to their children in this pandemic. They have to pay institution fees along with the expensive of gadgets, which is tough task for a parent.
Correctly said, Sudarshan. Already parents are facing problems economically, but they are pushed into a situation to spend for internet, institution fee and many gadgets. It is really difficult task for them.
So I just want to conclude that online classes and offline classes are both benefits in own ways, but utilizing it in a correct way will give you bright future. Thank you.
Sir,
Saran, what do you think about it?
You cool theory.